In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your name on Gmail. Whether you're looking to maintain a bit more privacy or simply prefer using a different name, we'll guide you through this step-by-step process with ease. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, you'll need to access your Gmail account. Once you've logged into your account and are on the main inbox page, locate the settings icon. This icon is represented by a small gear shape in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it to open the Quick Settings menu. Now that you're in the Quick Settings menu, you'll see an option that says See All Settings. Click on that to open the full settings menu. This section provides a wide array of setting options to help you customize your Gmail experience more deeply. Next, you want to find the Accounts and Import tab. You should see a row of different tabs across the top of the settings screen. Click on Accounts and Import to proceed, as this is where we'll be making changes to your sender information. Once you're in the Accounts and Import tab, scroll down a bit until you reach the section titled Send Mail As. This section controls what name the recipients of your emails will see when they receive mail from you. Here, you should see your current sender name along with a link labeled Edit Info. Click on Edit Info to begin the update process. A new window will appear, giving you the option to either keep your current name or change it to something else. If you're looking to alter the name displayed when you send emails, this is where you can type in your preferred alias. Feel free to type the name you want others to see, a name that better fits the impression you wish to leave, whether it's your business name, a nickname, or an abbreviated version of your full name. Enter it here. Finally, after typing in your desired name, ensure that everything looks good. Double check for any typos or errors that might cause confusion, and once satisfied, look for the option to save changes. Click this button to ensure the new information is recorded. And there you have it. Your sender name should now appear as the new one you've chosen, allowing for a more personalized or anonymous mail sending experience. It's always handy to test this by sending yourself a quick email to see how it appears in the inbox. On that note, if at any time you wish to revert to your previous name or choose another one, just revisit these steps. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you next time for more tech tips and tricks.